Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about some models, previous IIT JEE questions, advanced questions. So the first one, integral 0 to pi e power cos square x cos cube into 2n plus 1 into x dx. So we have to know that the first property, that means integral of 0 to is there, one of them, and another one is we have to know that the integral 0 to a f of x dx. What is the property here? When it is a twice into 0 to a f of x dx, this is the first one, this is the 0 if f of 2a minus x be the minus of f of x, and another one it is f of 2a minus x, f of 2a minus x equal to f of x. Is it clear? Therefore here is there 0 to pi, then it will be taken some 2a. Therefore when we are taking the 2a, suppose if you are taking the function f of x equal to e power cos square of x cos cube of 2n plus 1 into x is the f of x. Now we are taking f of pi minus x, that is 2a minus x. Then it will be e power cos square pi minus x. Cos pi minus x is the minus of cos x, minus minus plus. Therefore, since minus square is there, therefore cos of pi minus x is the minus of cos x. Therefore, minus square is the plus. After that, it will be the cos cube of 2n plus 1 into, we can put x equal to pi minus of x. Is it clear? How to write this is? Now this is the cos square of x, cos cube of all of you. Now this is a multiple with 2n plus 1 into pi minus of 2n plus 1 into x. Is it clear? When we are taking the any integer for n, suppose if you are taking the n is 0, this is the pi minus of x. Suppose if you are taking the n equal to 1, this is the 3 pi plus x. It is always odd multiple of x, odd multiple of x. That means it is lies in the second quadrant. In second quadrant, we have to know that in second quadrant the cos is the negative. Therefore, cos of pi minus theta is the minus of cos theta. Minus cube is here minus. Therefore, we can write minus of cos square x. Then it will be the cos cube of 2n plus 1 into x. Is it clear? The cos of pi minus theta is the minus of cos theta. Minus cube is the minus. Therefore, we got here the e power cos square x. Is there e power cos square x cos cube of 2n plus 1 into x. Now this is the minus of f of x. Therefore, when we have to compare with the 2a, the f of 2a minus x, the second case, f of 2a minus x is the f of minus x, then you can write directly the solution of this one is the equal to 0. What is the answer here? This is must be equal to 0. Since f of 2a minus x be the f of minus x, where the 2a is the pi, f of pi minus x we got minus of f of x. That's why the definite, the value of this one is the 0. Is it clear? This is the answer. Okay, this is the first one. Now the integral minus pi by 2 f of x plus f of minus x into g of x minus of g of minus x. Therefore, when we are taking this function integrand, we are taking some f of x. That will be the f of x, f of minus x. Is it clear? Then we take the g of x minus of g of minus x. Therefore, when the limits are equal but they have opposite sign, Undoubtedly, first we can verify it is even or odd. Replaced by x is the minus x. Then it will be the minus of x, minus of minus plus x. After that, this is the g of minus x minus minus of minus plus x. Now we have to take the common in the second bracket. When we are taking the common in the second bracket, that is the minus of, we can write first f of x, f of minus x. When we are taking the minus, it is the g of x minus g of minus x. Therefore, we got here, this will be the minus of f of x. The f of minus x is the minus of f of x. The f of minus x is the minus of f of x. When we got the f of minus x equal to f of x, it is the odd function. Therefore, the given function is the odd function. When we got the odd function, undoubtedly we have to know that even is we can write it twice into 0 to pi by 2. When it is an odd function, undoubtedly its value is the 0. Therefore, this is also 0. The integral value is the 0. Is it clear? It is odd function. Its solution is the 0. Now, the integral, it is one of the very easiest one. The integral 0 to pi by 2 dx upon 1 plus tan cube x. Now, this can be written as 0 to pi by 2. The tan is the sin by cos. Tan is the sin by cos. We have to take the LCM is the cos. Now the LCM is sent into the numerator. It will be cos cube x into dx by cos cube x into 1 cos cube x plus sin cube x. Now this is the I. Now this will be take some equation 1. The I equal to integral 0 to pi by 2. The cos of 90 minus x is the sin x. The cos of 90 minus x is the sin x. Then it is the sin cube x dx upon, this is also sin cube x. Therefore, sin 90 minus x is the cos of x. Therefore, now this will be taken some 2. Therefore, now 1 plus 2, that implies we can write the 1 plus 2. That is I plus I is the 2i. I plus I is the 2i. After that, we can write the integral 0 to pi by 2. When the denominators are equal, we have to take the LCM is sin cube of x plus cos cube of x into dx. Therefore, is there the numerator is cos cube x there, here sin cube x is there. Therefore, cos cube of x plus sin cube of x dx. Now, these two are cancelled, we got 1. Therefore, integral 0 to pi by 2, 1 into dx. This is the x 0 to pi by 2. Therefore, this is the pi by 2 minus 0 is the pi by 2. Therefore, 2i equals to the 2i equal to pi by 2. Therefore, I equal to pi by 4. This is the value. Is it clear? The 2i equal to 90. Therefore, I equals to pi by 4. It is the very easiest one. Now here, given that f of x equal to a into sin of pi x by 2 plus b, and f dash of 1 by 2 equal to root 2, and the integral 0 to 1 f of x dx is the 2a by p, then the constant values a and b. Is given that f dash of 1 by 2 is the root 2. F dash of 1 by 2 is the root 2. Therefore, now differentiating with respect to x. Differentiating with respect to x. Therefore, when we are differentiating with respect to x, then it will be the f dash of x. This is the f dash of x. Therefore, here a into the derivative of sine is the cos of pi x by 2. Therefore, the derivative of sine is the cos pi x by 2, and the derivative of pi x by 2 is the pi by 2, and the derivative of b is the 0. Is it clear? The derivative of sine cos, the derivative of pi x by 2 is the pi by 2. Therefore, now we are taking on both sides x equal to 1 by 2. X equal to 1 by 2. Now this is f dash z of 1 by 2 equal to, therefore pi a by 2 cos of, when we taking x equal to 1 by 2, this is the 1 by 2 pi by 2 by 2 pi by 4. Therefore is given that the f dash z of 1 by 2 is the value root 2. Therefore now this is pi a by 2 cos 45 is the 1 by root 2. Now a equal to here root 2 into root 2 2 into 2 4 by pi is the value of a. Now we find the values of a and b. Therefore the value of a is the 4 by 5. Now we have to find the value of b. How to find the value of b? The value of b is the, here one condition is given that integral 0 to 1 f of x dx, where f of x is this one. F of x is the a into sine of pi x by 2 plus b whole of dx is given by 2a by pi. Just write. We have to know that first you can write a outside. The integral of sine is the minus of cos of pi by 2x upon pi by 2. Integral of sine of ax plus b is the minus cos of ax plus b into 1 by a. Therefore, where the x coefficient is the 1 by pi by 2 is the 2 by pi. This is the integral. The limits here, the limits are 0 to 1. Is it clear how to write? The integral of sine is the minus of cos. Sine cos of pi by 2x by 1 by a. 1 by pi by 2, that is the 2 by pi. The another one is the constant is the b. Integral of 1 into dx is the x. Is it clear? b dx is there. That is b into 1 into dx. Therefore now we can write b into integral of 1 dx is the x. The limits are 0 to 1. That is the 2a by pi. Now we can write this is minus of, all of it clear, minus 2a by pi. We know that the value of x equal to 1 cos 90 0 minus put x equal to 0 cos 0 is the 1. Now this is the b, put x1 and x0, 1 minus 0, that is the 2a by pi. Now this is minus of minus plus 2a by pi plus b equal to 2a by pi. Therefore the value of b, these are sending other side, these two are cancelled. Now we got the value of b equal to 0. These are the a and b. Okay. Now the value of integral 0 to 2 pi, step of 2 sin x dx. Therefore here the step denotes the where denotes the greatest integer factor. This step represents the greatest integer factor. Okay. Therefore how to solve this one? Is there step of 2 sin x? Therefore how can you write it is sin 90. All of you listen here. Just we take in the values 0 to 2 pi. On the y-axis we have to take the maximum value 2. This is the minimum, the 1, maximum value 2. In this case minus 1, this is the minus 2. All of you listen here. When we are taking y equal to 2 sin of x, therefore this is sin 31 by 2. Therefore exactly we got 1. Therefore undoubtedly we are taking the pi by 3. Sorry, 30 is the pi by 6. After that we are taking the 90. Sin 90 value is the 1. That is the 2. Therefore we are taking the here. This is the pi. All of you listen here. This is the pi. At the same time this is the 3 pi by 2. Therefore first one, the middle one is we are taking the total is the 2 pi. Therefore, we can take the pi. This is the pi by 2. This is the 3 pi by 2. Is it clear? 0 to 2 pi is there. The middle is the pi. The middle of this is the 90. Now this is the 3 pi by 2. 0, 90, 180, 270, 2 pi. Now we are taking the here. Undoubtedly this is the pi by 6, 30. We have to know that pi minus of 30, that is the 150. Is it no? Therefore that is pi minus pi by 6. Pi minus pi by 6 is the, this is in the second quadrant, that is the 5 pi by 6. This is the 5 pi by 6. After that 5 plus pi by 6. 5 plus pi by 6 is the 7 pi by 6. This is the 7 pi by 6. Then you can write 2 pi minus pi by 6. This is the 11 pi by 6. 11 pi by 6. All of it clear here? Just listen. So when we are taking the 30, sine 30 is the 1 by 2. This is 1. Right. The sine 90 value is the 1. 2 into 1 is the 2. Now we are taking this one. Now this is the 5 pi by 6. Sine of 5 pi by 6 can be written as 2 into sine of pi minus pi by 6. In second quadrant, sine 30 is the 1 by 2. 2 into 1 by 2. Again got 1. Therefore, again we got the 1. Therefore, this is also 1. Now we have to know that when we are taking the sine pi, all of you listen here. When we are taking again pi, this is the sine pi is the 0. Therefore, now this is the 0. Now 7 pi by 6. The sine of 7 pi by 6 be the, that can be written as pi plus pi by 6 in third quadrant. 2 into minus 1 by 2, then it will be the minus 1. This is opposite is the minus 1. 3 pi by 2, sine of 3 pi by 2 is the minus 1, that is the minus of 2. Opposite of 2, this is the minus of 2. Now 11 pi by 6. The 11 pi by 6 is the, you can write sine of 11 pi by 6 can be written as 2 into 2 pi minus pi by 6. Fourth quadrant minus 1 by 2. Then it will be also minus 1. Now the sine of 2 pi, the sine of n pi we know that 0. This is the graph. How to write this is? First you can take sine 0, 0. Put the x equal to 0, sine 0, 0. This is the graph. This is the graph, okay? Now we are find the here, all of you listen. Now we are taking the value of 0 to step of 2 sin x. Then it can be written as, first we can take 0. 0, this is up to 1. Therefore, this is all integral part of 0 to 1. We know that if you taken 0.5, the step of 0.5 is the 0. When we are taking the limits 0 to pi by 6, undoubtedly we got 0 dx. This value is the 0. Now this is containing this part, undoubtedly this is 1. When we are taking, all of you listen here, when we are taking this part pi by 6 to pi by 2 is 0. At the same time, we have to take the pi by 2 to pi by 6, this region except this whole. So don't take exactly 90. Therefore, when we are taking the pi by 6 to pi by t in between 0 to 2, at the same time we have to taking here the 5 pi by 6 to pi. The 5 pi by 6 to pi, there is also undoubtedly we got 1. Therefore, then you can write it directly. The pi by 6 to pi by 6 is the 1. Now we can write this is, now this is, okay. Therefore, now this is the pi by 6 to pi by 6. Pi by 6 to pi by 6, undoubtedly it will be the 1 dx. After that, here, all of you listen. 5 pi by 6 to pi, again come down. That is the value is in between 0 to 1. Yes or no? When we are taking the 5 pi by 6 exactly 1, this is 0. But in between the region, undoubtedly 5 pi by 6 to, what is that? Pi. That is the 0 dx. Then 5 pi by 6 to here, 7 pi by 6. What you write? That is the 5 pi by 6. What that one is? What that is? We can write, first you can write 0 to pi is the 0. Pi by 6 to 5 pi by 6 is the 1. After that 5 pi by 6 to pi. Now we can write pi to 7 pi by 6. Pi to 7 pi by 6 is the this region. Undoubtedly these are all values below 0 to minus 1. Minus 0.5, that is the minus 1, that is the minus 1 dx. After that 7 pi by 6 to 11 pi by 6, this region. All of you listen here. This region, complete region is the, undoubtedly we have to take minus 1.5. This is also minus 1.5. Therefore, this all region, undoubtedly we got the minus 2. That is, how to write this is 7 pi by 6 to 11 pi by 6. Therefore, we can write, how to write this is 7 pi by 6 to 11 pi by 6 is the minus 2 dx. The last one is 11 pi by 6 to this region, 2 pi. The 11 pi by 6 to 2 pi, that is the 11 pi by 6 to 2 pi. The 11 pi by 6 to 2 pi, this value. This is the, suppose minus 0.5 is the minus 1. Now we can write minus 1 dx. Minus 1 dx. Therefore, how to write this one? The first one is 0. The solution is, the first one is 0. Now this is integral 1 dx is the x. Now this is the 5 pi by 6 minus 11 pi minus, all of you listen here, clear? 5 pi by 6 minus pi by 6. That is the 5 pi minus pi is the 4 pi by 6. The next one is, this is the 0 again. Now this is 0, this is the minus x, minus of, all of you listen here, 7 pi by 6 minus pi. How to write this is 7 pi by 6 minus pi. Therefore, this is the 6 pi. 7 pi minus 6 pi is the pi by 6. Is it clear? Next one is, this is the minus 2, yes. Minus 2, how to write this is 11 pi by 6 minus, you can write minus 2, 1 dx is the x. 11 pi minus 7 pi. 11 minus 7, what is the 11 minus 7 is? The 11 minus 7 is the 4 pi by 6. This is the 4 pi by 6. Is it clear? How to write this is? This is 11 minus 7 is the, 11 minus 7 is the 4. The next one is minus of is there, minus 1 dx. Now we can write this is 2 pi minus of 11 pi by 6. How to write this is 2 pi minus 11 pi by 6. 6 2 jar is the 12. 12 minus 11 is the 1. Therefore, minus of pi by 6. Is it clear? How to write this is? This is the 4 pi. This is the minus pi. This is minus of 4 2 jar 8 pi minus pi all of 6. LCM is the 6. Now we can observe here the 8 pi. This is there 8 pi. 8 pi minus 4 pi. 8 pi minus 4 pi is the 4 pi. Minus of 4 pi. Now you can learn here that minus of 10 pi minus 6 pi by 6. This is the minus pi is the answer. Is it clear? How to write this is minus 10 pi plus 4 pi minus 6 pi. 6 cancel. Minus pi is the answer. Okay. Now the another one. I1 is given that integral 1 minus k to integral 1 minus k to k x into f of x minus 1 minus x, and I2 is integral 1 minus k to k f of x minus of 1 minus x dx. Then the value of I1 by I2. How to write this is? First we take I1. I1 is the integral 1 minus k to k. The integral 1 minus k to k. Therefore, now we are taking the x into f of f of x into 1 minus of x dx. Is it clear? Therefore, we have to take here the 1 minus k to k f of x into 1 minus of x. Therefore, is it clear? Yes or no? Here we are thinking replaced by x is the 1 minus x. Since when we are taking k equal to 1, undoubtedly it is 0 to 1. Therefore, we have to know that when the integral 0 to a f of x dx can be written as integral 0 to a f of a minus x dx. This is the form. That's why we can write the I1 equal to integral of 1 minus k. When we taking the k equal to 1, undoubtedly it is the 0 to 1. Then we can replace it by x is the 1 minus of x, f of 1 minus of x. All of it clear? We can replace it by x is the 1 minus of x. Again we can write the 1 minus replaced by x is the 1 minus x. 1 cancel, minus of minus plus x. Is it clear? Put x equal to 1 minus x. Is there 1 minus x? 1 minus of 1 minus of 1 minus x. 1 cancel. Now this is again we can write that I1 equals to, now this is first multiple with 1. This is first multiple with 1. We can split into the two integrals. We can write the two integrals. This is 1 minus k to k. When we have to multiply with this one, f of 1 minus x into x of dx. Another one is the integral of 1 minus k into k. Now this is the multiple with x into f of 1 minus x into x. F of 1 minus x into x. Therefore, f of 1 minus x into x dx. This is again we got this one. This is the I1. F of x into 1 minus x is the I1. This is given by f of x into 1 minus x is given by I2. Therefore, now this is the I1 equal to I2 minus I1. Is it clear? I1 equals to, this is the I2, this is the I1. Therefore, minus I1 is it is sending to the other side, 2I1 equal to I2. Therefore, I1 by I2 equal to 1 by 2 is the answer. I1 by I2 is the 1 by 2. This is also IIT JEE 2000. The g of x is given by 0 to x f of t dt. Now we find the g of 2. How to find the g of 2? All of you listen here. First we find first is given that g of x is the integral 0 to x f of t dt. Now we have to write this is the g of 2. The g of 2 can be written as integral 0 to 2 f of t dt. G of 2 is the integral 0 to 2 f of t dt. Now the g of 2 can be written as integral 0 to 1 f of t dt plus 1 to 2 f of t dt. Is it clear? 0 to 1 f of t dt plus the integral 1 to 2. The integral 1 to 2 f of t, the integral f of t dt. 1 to 2 f of t dt. How can you write it is? So is given that integral 0 to 1, this one. Integral 1 to 2 is this one. First we are taking, this is the, first we can take here the 1 by 2 less than or equal to f of t less than or equal to 1. Applying on both sides with the limits 0 to 1. By the sandwich theorem we can write integral 0 to 1, applying 0 to 1, 1 by 2 dt, integral 0 to 1 f of 2 dt, integral 0 to 1 1 dt. How to write this is? Now we can write 1 by 2 dt. 1 by 2 you can write outside the integral. 1 dt is the t. T is the 1 minus 0. Now we can write this is the 1 by 2. less than or equal to 0 to 1 f of t dt. Now this less than or equal to integral of 1 dt is the dt t, that is 1 0, that is 1 minus 0 is the 1. This you can write, say that 1. And another condition is given that the 0 less than or equal to f of t less than or equal to 1 by 2. Now taking the limits are 1 to 2. Now it will be integral 1 to 2 0 dt less than or equals to integral 1 to 2 f of t dt less than or equal to 1 to 2 1 by 2 dt. Now 0 is the 0. Now this is the integral 1 to 2 f of t dt. Therefore now this is, how to write this is 1 by 2 1 dt. 1 dt is the t. 2 minus 1 is the 1. Now this is the 2. Now adding 1 plus 2, that implies 1 plus 2, that implies we got 1 by 2 plus 0 is the 1 by 2 less than or equal to integral 0 to 1 f of dt plus integral 1 to 2 f of t dt plus less than or equal to 1 plus 1 by 2 is the 3 by 2. 1 plus 1 by 2 is the 3 by 2, that is the maximum. Therefore now this is, we know that g of 2. This is, we know that g of 2. The value of g of 2 is the 1 by 2 less than or equal to g of 2 less than or equal to 3 by 2. This is the value of g by 2. 1 by 2 less than or equal to g of 2 less than or equal to 3 by 2. Is it clear? This is the value of g of 2. Now the another one, if f of x equal to the integral e power cos x into sin x for mod x is less than or equal to the 2, that means minus 2 to 2. The x is lies between minus 2 to 2. And another one, otherwise it is 0. Now we have to find the minus 2 to 3 f of x dx. The solution is integral of minus 2 to 3 f of x dx. That is, we can write the minus 2 to 2 f of x dx. Now then it is 2 to 3, up to 2 to 3 f of x dx. How to write this is, we can given by the condition when the limits are minus 2 to 2, that is less than 2, we have to take this function e power cos x into sin x dx. Otherwise, in between, otherwise not less than 2, that means otherwise means greater than 2. Otherwise greater than 2, that means 2 to 3, undoubtedly it is given that the f of x is defined by 2. This is the dx. When the limits are equal, now we can verify that it is even or odd. This is the undoubtedly when we are taking the f of x equal to e power cos x into sin x, put x equal to minus x. Therefore first you can check whether it is even or odd. Therefore now this is replaced by x is the minus x, e power cos of minus x is the cos x, sin of minus x is the minus of sin x. This is the minus of sin x. The sin of minus x is the minus of sin x. Now this is the f of minus x equal to minus of f of x. This is the odd function. When it is a odd function, its solution is the 0, is equal to 0. Therefore 0 plus 2 into integral 1 into dx is the x. That is 2 to 3. Is it clear? 2 can be right outside of the integral. 1 into dx is the x. Then it will be the 2 into 3 minus 2. Therefore 2 is the answer. Okay. Now another one, the integral e power minus 1 e square is given that modulus of log x base e upon x. The modulus of log x base e upon x. We have to know that log is a positive. For example, we know that mod x is the plus or minus x. This is a minus x for x less than 0. This is a plus x for x greater than 0. Similarly, like this, the mod function is given that this is the 1 by e. This is the 1 by e. Now we can write 1 by e to 1. Undoubtedly, the 1 by e to 1, suppose the log 1 is 0. The before values of 1, suppose if you are taking 1 by 2, log of 1 by 2, undoubtedly it is a negative value. Since log of 2 power minus 1 minus of log 2, minus you can write at the beginning of the logarithm, then it has the negative value. It has the negative value. Therefore, now we can write this is the 1 by e to 1. This is undoubtedly negative, that is minus of log x base e upon x dx 1 to e square 1 to e square log x base e by x whole of dx. How to write this is, when we are taking the log x be the t, the derivative of log x is the 1 by x, dx is the dt. This is the t dt. When you take log x is the t, the derivative of log x is 1 by x. 1 by x, dx is the dt. Therefore, now this is the, we got log t dt. Is it clear? When the log x be taken t, the derivative of log x, that is the dt. Therefore, this is the t dt. T is the t square by 2. T is the t square by 2. Now this is log x whole square by 2 upon 1 by e to 1. After that, this is also we can write the log x whole square by 2 upon e square to 1. Now this is, how to write this is, minus of, the log 1 is the 0. Log 1 is the 0. 0 square 0 minus of, all of you listen here, 1 by e. 1 by e. Now we can write 1 by e is the e power minus 1. E power minus 1. Minus 1 is comes outside. Log e is the 1. Minus 1 whole square is the plus 1. Therefore, this is the 1 by 2. Now we can write this is log e square. Log e square. 2 is right outside of e square. Log a power m is the m log a. Log of e square. That is the 2 log e. That is the log e is the 1, 2. Therefore, 2 square is the 4 by 2 minus the log 1 is the 0. The log 1 is the 0. Now we got this is minus of minus plus. Now this is 1 by 2 plus 4 by 2. 4 plus 1 is the 5 by 2 is the required solution. 5 by 2. Is it clear? So integral f of p plus x equal to f of x. We have to know that f of p plus x equal to f of x. P is the least positive integer. P is the period. Here given that period is the t. I is denoted by integral 0 to 2 f of x dx is the I. Now we have to find that value. What is given that 3 plus 3t f of 2x dx. First we take, let 2x equal to some y. 2x equal to some y. Now this is the derivative is 2 into dx equal to dy. Dx equal to, clear, dx equal to 1 by 2 dy. When we are taking x equal to 3 here, 2 into 3 is the 6. When we taking x equal to 3, 2 3 jar is the 6. Therefore, now x is taking here 3 plus 3t, then it will come 6 plus 6t. Therefore, f of the 2x we taking some y, that is f of y. The dx is nothing but 1 by 2 into dt. Is it clear? 1 by 2 into dy. So, here is there f of y dy. At the same time is there 6 and 6. When we are taking the equal limits, undoubtedly we can write it is 1 by 2, 6 minus 6 0, here 6 cancel, we got 60 f of x dx. Simply you can write is there by dy. The priority we can write the integral of 0 to, all of you listen here, some integral of 0 to a, the f of x dx written as the 0 to a f of y dy. We can interchange the variable, since when we are taking x equal to y, the dx equal to dy limits are same, x equal to 0, y equal to 0, x equal to a, y equal to a. Therefore, as on property, we can take here the lower limit and upper limit are equal. Therefore, 6 minus 6 0, this is the 60. Therefore, f of x dx. As on that, the given property f of t plus x equal to f of x having the period t. By the definition of the periodic function, integral 0 to nt, integral 0 to nt f of x dx, having the f of x having the period t, we can write n into, that is n is the 6 by 2, integral 0 to t f of x dx. Therefore, we have to know that the 0 to 2 f of x dx is given by I, that is 6 by 2 is the 3. We can write the 3i is the solution. This is the 3i. Is it clear? The 3i is our required solution, right? If g of x is given by integral the limits 0 to x cos power 4 t dt, then the value of g of x plus 5. We have to find the value of g of x plus 5. How to find this is? Now we can replace it by x is x plus 5. We have to replace is here x plus 5. Now we can write this is instead of the limit x, we take x plus 5. That is a cos power 4x, cos power 4t dt. This is the first step. We have to take instead of x is x plus 5, then also x plus 5. Now we write here the integral, all of you listen here, the integral 0 to pi cos power 4t or 0 to x. Yes, this is 0 to first is there x, 0 to x cos power 4t. After that we can write this is there x is cancelled. We have to take x plus 5 cos power 4t dt. Is it clear? Now this can be split into the two integrals. Having we have to take between the x plus 5 is the x, that is 0 to x dt, and we can write here x to x plus 5. After that we can write this is the g of x plus 5. The g of x plus 5 can be written as the integral of 0 to x cos power 4t dt plus, is there the lower limit is there x, upper limit is there x minus x is nothing but it is a periodic function, x minus x is 0, this is the pi. We can take cos power 4t dt. Is it clear? Here is there x and x. When we can split into again two integrals, we have to got x to x. The x to x is nothing but 0. The lower and upper limit are equal, then that is the 0. That's why we can written it will be the x minus x 0, x minus x is the 0, is there pi. Now this is, we have to know that this can be written as where x is there, we can write g of x. Therefore this is called the g of x, this is called the g of pi. We can write this is g of x. Therefore integral 0 to x cos power 4t is the g of x. Is there pi, we can write this is the g of pi. Now we can express it as the g of x plus pi is the sum of g of x plus g of phi. Okay. Integral under root of log 2, root of log 3, x sin x square, sin of log 6 minus x square. Therefore, we are taking the x square equal to t, 2x dx equal to dt, x into dx is the 1 by t dt. Therefore, now we can write this is integral x dx is the 1 by 2 dt, x dx is the 1 by 2 dt. This is the sine of t. Again, this is the sine of t plus this is the sine of log 6 minus t dt. Now, changing the limits. When we are taking the x is this one, square and under root cancel. This is the log 2, this is the log 3. The property we know that this is the integral a to b f of x dx is the integral a to b f of a plus b minus x dx. Is it clear? Just you can observing here. So why we are applying this property? Is there log 6? The simple logic is there. When it is the log 6, undoubtedly you can write a plus b. That means log a plus log b is the log ab. Log ab, log a plus log b is the log ab minus of x. That can be written as it is I equal to 1 by 2 log 2 log 3. We can write this is a plus b minus of x. The sine of, all of you clear here, the sine of a plus b log 2 plus log 3, that is the log 6 minus t upon the sine of a plus b minus x, that is the log 6 minus t plus sine of, this is the t can be log 6 minus t, minus of minus plus t, log 6 cancel. This is the dt. Now this will be taken, this is 1, this is a 2. How to write this is? Now we can write this is I plus I is the 2i. I plus I is the 2i. Therefore, is it clear? I plus I is the 2i. Now when we can common the, when you can adding this, undoubtedly is there 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2 is the common. Is there 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2 is the common. Therefore, now adding this. Now adding this. How to write this is? When we can adding this is, undoubtedly the log 2, log 3, the denominators are equal. This is the denominator, this is the denominator are equal, that is the LCM. Again the now sum of the numerators is sin t plus sin of log c sin of log 6 minus t. Those are cancelled. When we can take the denominator or the LCM, denominator are equal, LCM is the same. Then we can adding the numerator, we got 1 dt. Therefore, then you can write this is, how to write this is the 2i equal to 1 by 2 into, this is the 1 dt, that is the t, log 3 minus log 2. Log 3 minus log 2 is the log of 3 by 2. The value of I equals to 1 by 4 log of 3 by 2. 1 by 4 log of 3 by 2. This is clear. This is today. All of you please watch videos number of times. Okay, and complete the similar models with your reference books. Thank you all.